What's going on YouTube? I just finished doing this number 12 guard slick back mid fade. So if you guys don't know how to cut with shears yet, or you guys don't want to do anything with scissors, this is a perfect tutorial to watch. I went through the whole thing step by step and I didn't use scissors on top. So if you guys enjoy the content, sub, like, and comment down below any feedback or any ideas that you guys have towards the channel. I'd really appreciate it, guys. I just want some feedback so I could curate my content to you guys. So appreciate it. Peace. We're gonna start with the 12 guard lever closed. So usually with the 12 guard, it might not really get the hair as much, so I'm gonna go with the grain first, and then we'll go against the grain. Before I set the guideline, I'm just gonna go ahead and just remove all of this flyaway hair so I can see clearly and I can set a nice crispy guideline. How we're gonna set this guideline first is we have to first take a look at the C-cup area right here. It's the C-cup area is here, right? So he wants a slightly higher fade. I'm not really gonna dip it that much. And we're gonna take it from here, from the middle of the C-cup area. And this is how you create your mid-fade guideline. We're gonna straight go towards the middle of the C-cup. We have to set the guideline according to the shape of his head. So since he does want a slightly higher fade, I'm gonna keep extending this like a straight line. Keep going in a straight line. Once it gets a little bit more towards over here, I'm gonna drop it a tiny bit. This is how you set an even guideline on both sides of the head. So first, we want to just examine here. We started here. We'll create our first. Now the next step is we're gonna flip our trimmer in this position and we're gonna go up. I call this rubbing the guideline. So this just makes the guideline almost bald. So it's gonna make it a lot easier for our shaver to shave the area and to blend that shaver into the stubble. So let's go back and forth until you guys really can't see much hair. Now with our 3 guard lever closing it makes it a 3, open makes it 3.5. So I'm just gonna create about a 3-finger guideline. So we're aiming to flick out towards his parietal area right here. So this is gonna be the darkest part of the fade is gonna be on top of the 3 guard. So it's important for us to flick out. Lever open, we're gonna make our first guideline here, starting from the left side, and we're just gonna work all the way to the right side. Don't overthink this step. It's legit just going up about a finger, an inch into that first guideline, and we just make it look like the one we set below that. Next step, just grab our 1 guard, lever open, repeat the process. We're gonna do the same thing. Go a finger above, Now with the 2 guard lever open, we're gonna go a finger above again. So this is the lever open, 1 guard lever open, 2 guard lever open here on top. Let's go ahead and remove the bolt. For the shaving part, it's really important to notice that we did go with the trimmer upside down in this area. So I'm gonna go about an inch here. So I'm gonna go with my shaver here. Once it gets to that point, I'm gonna start flicking up and letting go of some of that pressure. So I can blend that trimmer line into the shaver. What's going on, you guys? This is a short little ad. I rarely put ads in my videos, but I just want to go ahead and just promote my school. The School of Barbering is now available to enroll, the Elite Academy. If you guys are interested, click the link in the description and it's just gonna send you a form. If you guys qualify, then we'll jump on a call or we'll just chop it up and see how we can help each other out. So if you guys are not sure what this is, just watch the free live class that we have on there. And if you guys still have more questions, leave them down below in the comment section or just hit me up on Instagram. Fairly simple. It's an academy. We have videos, we have group mentorship calls, and we just are trying to help barbers get to that next level. That next level for us is making over $10,000 a month. So, or 6 figures a year. So if you guys are interested and you guys are looking for that extra push, just hit the link in the description, guys, and that's pretty much it. Appreciate all the support that I've been getting from you guys. Lever open. Just repeat the same steps on this side of the head now. It's gonna be our first guideline. One guard lever open. On top of that same guideline. Two guard lever open. We're gonna start blending every line step by step. So this is just a lever open. We're just gonna focus on this guideline right here. What we need is basically just our clipper with no guard. We're gonna go with the middle open close method. So I'm gonna start with my lever in the middle, and I'm only gonna work from here to here. We're not gonna focus on going around the head. So why start in the middle is preference. I just want to make sure that I play it safe and I don't start with the lever closed. Like in reality, sometimes it might go a little bit higher than we're supposed to when the lever is closed. So this is what I do to just secure the blend to make it easier on the next step. So the easier and the better that you blend out this line, the easier it gets to blend the one on top. So once we have the lever in the middle, I'm gonna start opening it little by little and go a tiny bit higher. So now it's at the 3/4 open position. And I'm gonna open it all the way and flick up. Now I'm gonna close it and baby tap the beginning of the line right there. And I'll start working my way to the open position again. So going through it one time is not gonna blend out the line completely, as you guys can see. But the more that we work the line, the more blended that it gets. So now that that's blended, we can move on to the back side over here. So you guys can separate your blending process in zones. This is zone 1, this can be zone 2. So let's repeat the process. In the middle, stretch the skin a little bit. I'm gonna go to the midway point of the guideline. So a couple of strokes here, and start slowly working my way to zone 1. Open it 1 notch, now it's 3/4 open. We can go a tiny bit higher now. Now all the way open. I'm gonna close it at the beginning of the line. So opening it little by little again. And that should basically blend out the first guideline. So we finished blending the lever open. Now we got the 1 guard lever open just for reference. I'm gonna go in again and just kind of reset the guideline a little bit, just flick up a little bit. Because his hair's a little darker. This is a 1 guard lever open. Now to start this process, we're gonna do a different method, closed to open. So I'll demonstrate what that means right now. This step is not gonna fully blend out the line. So let's make sure that we remember where this line starts. So just gently just tapping, tapping, tapping. And this step I'm not gonna work in zones. So I'm just gonna go through it kind of swiftly, because we're gonna clean this up with the 1 guard, with the 0.5 guard. Middle. So essentially we're just softening this line. And there's more room for error. That's why I started with the lever closed, and it's a lot faster to do it that way. Now I'm gonna just open it all the way and redo that same guideline again. Now we're gonna get our half guard. We're gonna start with the lever open to close. We can start with the close as well, but for safety purposes, I'm encouraging you guys to just play it safe. So we're gonna go about, this is 1 inch right here. We're gonna flick up to the midway point. So we're gonna go up about 1/2 inch with the lever open and flick up before closing the lever. Middle. Close it now. This is what I like calling lever play. So we have the option to open, to close, to do a lot of things with the lever, but it just comes down to what's actually happening to the hair. And how dark does it look? Does it look clean? The lower that we go, the more that we close the lever. The more that we open, the higher that we go. Now the last step, we're just gonna clean things up with the 1.5 guard. So we did go up with the 2 guard lever open. So this is kind of like basically the same thing we just did with the half guard. So you guys, if you guys want to start with the close, start with the close and hit the beginning of the line. If you guys want to start with the open, just go midway point of that 2 guard lever open, and then work your way slowly downwards by closing the lever. any little inconsistencies, we can always go back and detail with the previous guard.